Chainsaws in the pocket sounds straight out of a cartoon, right? This next gadget has made it possible. This compact, lightweight saw is ideal for breaking down wood for shelter construction and campfires. Its 36-inch high-carbon steel chain features bidirectional teeth for efficient cutting and can handle branches up to 4 inches in diameter. This pocket chainsaw is lightweight, easy to pack, and provides a cutting solution beyond what a knife or small hatchet can achieve. The included nylon pouch makes for easy storage and transportation. You can get this gadget for $30. Known as the world's hottest flashlight, delivering searing focused heat, this survival gadget is designed by wicked lasers. In a survival situation, this powerful flashlight can be used for a multitude of tasks, including fire starting, signaling, and even self-defense. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum, the FlashTorch is both durable and waterproof. It can cost over $200 to buy this tool. The RISE, or Rigid Immobilization System for Extremities, by TacMed Solutions, is a compact and versatile splint designed for emergency medical situations. In a survival setting, it can be valuable for stabilizing fractures or dislocations, preventing further injury and reducing pain. It unfolds into a supportive structure and can be molded to fit various limb shapes. It is reusable and weighs just 4 ounces, making it easy to carry. The splint is priced at around $27. Duct tape is a classic multi-use tool, and this duct tape on steroids is engineered for even the toughest survival scenarios. This waterproof tape offers exceptional strength and adhesion, making it perfect for gear repairs, makeshift shelters, or even wound dressing in a pinch. The tape also boasts high tensile strength, meaning it can hold together under stress. It is priced under $15 a roll. Designed for survivalists, adventurers, and global travelers, this next gadget is hailed as a revolutionary water purifier. It combines a water bottle with a built-in filtration system, allowing users to drink from questionable water sources safely. It removes 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, protozoa, sediment, and chemicals. The water filter is also incredibly fast, purifying 24 ounces of water in just 8 seconds. Its replaceable filter cartridge ensures reliable water filtration for up to 65 gallons. You can buy this water filter for $150. Offering a different take on traditional projectile survival tools, this next survival gadget is a unique repeating crossbow designed with portability and rapid-fire capability in mind. This magazine-fed crossbow offers quick and easy reloading, allowing you to fire 6 arrows in rapid succession. It is constructed from durable polymer, ensuring a lightweight yet reliable build. It boasts a range of customization options, making it adaptable to various survival scenarios. It costs around $300. This emergency system aims to provide fast and easy shelter in survival situations. This tarp-like shelter boasts a unique, pre-rigged design that eliminates the need for knot tying. With its included guy lines and fasteners, setup time is minimized. The T6Zero system is compact, lightweight, less than 8 ounces, and offers a good amount of coverage for individual use. This makes it ideal for campers, survivalists, and anyone who carries lightweight gear. Priced around $75, it offers a quick shelter solution. Developed by one of the most reliable windproof pocket lighter making companies, Zippo brings its reliability to the outdoors with the 4-in-1 Woodsman. This multi-tool offers an axe, saw, mallet, and tent stake puller, making it a versatile companion for camp tasks. The rugged steel construction ensures durability And the dual-sided axe head provides both chopping and splitting capabilities. With a comfortable handle and a balanced feel, the Zippo 4-in-1 Woodsman aims to reduce the number of tools needed in your survival gear. Its price point is around $80. Fire is critical in survival situations, and these uniquely designed matches aim to get you aflame even in harsh weather conditions. These matches are designed to withstand wind, rain, and water immersion. Each match delivers a long burn time, allowing for reliable fire starting. This compact case contains around 25 matches and is lightweight enough to include in any survival kit. The matches are priced under $12. This wallet-turned-survival gadget is a minimalist wallet designed with survivalists and prepared individuals in mind. Constructed from durable materials like titanium, it offers exceptional resistance to damage. Inside, the wallet houses a range of compact tools, including a knife saw fire starter and more. This wallet is ideal for those who prefer to integrate preparedness tools into their everyday carry. You can also customize the wallet according to your needs and budget. Developed by Roadless Reel, this compact and durable fishing reel is designed for portability and versatility. Its unique enclosed design protects the internal mechanism from sand, water, and debris. Constructed with an aluminum body, the reel boasts 35 ball bearings for smooth performance. The reel can be configured for both left and right-handed users, making it accessible to a wider audience. The reel is priced around $149. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, this compact multi-purpose tool is currently in its 4th generation. It combines a lighter, flashlight, and multi-tool into one device. The lighter resembles a classic Zippo-style design, with a separate flint, since flints cannot be included due to international shipping restrictions. The flashlight offers 7 hours of operation at its minimum brightness setting of 20 lumens, and can easily be charged with a USB device. The multi-tool includes over 10 functions, such as a screwdriver and bottle opener, and it could be used to repair fishing rods. It costs $55 to own this device. Belts are just supposed to hold up your pants, but the team from SlideBelts had some other thoughts. They took the traditional belt and transformed it into a survival tool. This belt features a buckle that discreetly houses a range of preparedness items, including a knife, fire starter, and emergency whistle. Constructed from durable nylon webbing, the belt is designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Plus, its ratchet-style adjustments ensure a comfortable and customized fit. The belt is priced under $130.